so sorry about this lighting. But you're on one of my couch cushions because my tripod's in my car. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that later though. But yeah, good morning. I wanted to start this off by saying hi. Yeah, I'm gonna do a daily, I think, vlog. I kind of just want to like see what I can do. So a little life update. I don't have a job right now for the first time in like a really long time. But I'm okay. I'm figuring it out. But obviously I love YouTube so much and it's always in the back of my mind. I bring it up in every job interview I've ever had. I'm so proud of it, and it's just one of those things where it's like it always has been put on the back burner for me just because I've tried to do the college normal life and then the normal corporate life. And yeah, sorry, I have my door open. There's just a lot going on out there if you hear anything also. But yeah, I just have never had time to truly focus on YouTube, and I feel like this is just like a sign that I should, and I can't sit here all day and do nothing because I've never had to do that before in my life. And I was just like going a little crazy. Obviously I'm applying to jobs, but I mean, that's not a full-time job. I'm used to doing stuff from 9 until 5 p.m., 5:30 p.m. And it's been like almost a week or so. I just can't do it anymore. So I was like, let's do YouTube. It's kind of, I do marketing as a job, so it's kind of similar to what I do with my life. So I'm just gonna see what I can do. I might do daily vlogs. Also, while I have the time to actually do stuff with my day, because I either, when I worked from home, I legitimately would not leave besides working out. And when I worked at a corporate office, that was basically my whole life. And obviously I can't record that and can't really record working from home. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity. Moral of the story. But yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. But for now, I think this would just be like a good outlet for me. And I've obviously always loved YouTube. It's something that I never wanted to give up on. I just kind of put it on the back burner because I thought I couldn't do both. But yeah, so anyways, that's why I'm filming a day in life right now. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi. I know this situation's like really ugly, but it's all I can think of. You're just like nested in my couch, and I'm also a weirdo and I put all the pillows like up instead of like how they're supposed to be because it makes my couch like way bigger. I have like a cloud couch dupe and I love it, so I always keep it like this. It's never normal, not even if people visit. But anyways, yeah, so today I am going to F45. I used to go to this place called Camp in Tampa, and I'm trying out the $3 free class pass from F45 because I mean, good deal, might as well. I'm excited. I went yesterday for the first time and it was like a strength class, and then today's cardio. Don't know what that means, but I hope it's good. I mean, I do something similar at camp, so I'm not like terrified, but I don't know what they do for cardio. The place isn't that big, so it's not like they can make me run a 5K or something, you know what I mean? But yeah, so I'm doing that at noon, and right now it's about 10:45. It's only like 5 minutes away, so I leave at like 10 or 11:40 something. But yeah, I'll just take you along with my day. I need to go like run errands, and tomorrow I'm getting my nails done. They're so grown out. If you see them in any clip, it bothers me, so I apologize. I need to go pick up a prescription. I kind of want to go to the pet store because I need to get my little kitty, which I don't know if I've showed yet, but I will. Ollie, I want to get her a costume. I have to. She's like only 5 months old. I'll do it the first year and I'm never doing it again, but I have to. And she also needs something. Oh, I like giving her wet food as like a fun little thing, and I ran out. So yeah, just like run errands. It's connected to a Target and a Petco, PetSmart. So I'm gonna do all that. I might come home after my workout because it's so cold today. I know I'm ranting, I'm sorry. Giving you like a life update. It's so cold today. It's like 50. I have my door and my window open. That's why my cat's hiding. It's freezing. She usually sits at the window and she's like, But yeah, it's cold today, so I don't really want to wear my workout outfit while running errands because that's gonna be gross and cold. So I'll probably come back, body shower, and then go run errands. Not like I have anything to do with my life, so I might as well. But yeah, I've been really into cooking. I'll show you guys. I promise I have a tripod. I will get my tripod out of my car, so all these clips will be better. But I've been really into cooking. I'm cooking like a salmon bowl tonight, a new recipe I'm really excited about. And yeah, I feel like there was something else I was gonna tell you. Oh, I was just in Atlanta with my sister, spur of the moment, last weekend, and it was so fun. My sister's about to move. She's lived there for like 3 years, and she's about to move, I think, to Nashville, which would be so fun. I want to move there. I'm a little bit over Florida. I've lived here my whole life, but like if I didn't have a lease right now and like without a job and I was like ending a lease, unfortunately I just basically signed one back in July, I would probably get out of here, but I'm stuck in a lease until next September. But yeah, so I was just in Atlanta. It was so much fun. I love it there. I think it's so fun. There's so much to do, so many new things and places and areas. Didn't vlog that because I decided today that I wanted to start vlogging. Today is Wednesday, the 19th, I think. And then last night, spur of the moment, I went to a Bolts game with my boyfriend. It was so fun. I love the Bolts. It was the first home game, and it was like spur of the moment, like 30 minutes before it started, and like so fun. And we ended up losing though, but they fought. I'll put a little clip right here of them fighting. Them fighting is the reason I love hockey. This clip's really long, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's the reason I love hockey. I went to the Islanders game, which this year is on Saturday, which we were gonna go to, but probably not now that we went last night. And they hate each other, and just the fighting just makes it so fun. Hockey's so quick, like it's freezing in there. You get to wear like a beanie. I have like a Stamkos jersey. Love the vibes. I love hockey. I will probably get a season pass, whatever it's called, season tickets at some point in my life if I stay here for a while. I'm just obsessed. I'm staring at the arena outside of my door. I'm not that close, but it's in the distance. Okay, so now that this is an 8-minute clip, I'm gonna go and I will do my best at showing you guys my day. I'm comfortable with doing it on my phone because like TikTok, YouTube, everything's so normal now. Like I've been doing it for 12 years. Like I know I'm not by no means anyone big, anyone popular, anything like that, but I just like know how much YouTube and like it's evolved in like the real world, and like it's just insane to me. Like, because I started YouTube when you couldn't even get paid. Like I remember the day I had it all stockpiled up and they were like, oh yeah, AdSense. I was like, what? Like I remember that day like it was yesterday, and I bought my camera with it that I still own. I think that was just like the best thing I've ever done. It's like so sentimental. I will never get rid of that camera. It was like the first, still honestly kind of the most expensive thing I own, which is insane that I actually own. Like my parents didn't help or like do or anything. It's crazy. But yeah, okay, so sorry about this clip again. The door's open. I'm praying it's not loud. Now there's a helicopter. Yes, so I'm just gonna chill, probably start editing this vlog. I'm gonna try and do vlogs. This is my first time ever doing vlogs in my entire life. I'm excited. Yeah, so right now I'm actually about to bake this bread. I had this in my freezer. It's from wildgreen.com. I have a discount code. I will link it below if I can find it and it's still active. But this is slow fermented 3-seed bread. I made their sourdough, and this is, I have like another one in there too. Croissants, pasta, all frozen. It's a subscription box, but I'm gonna make this because I didn't have like any English muffins, nothing for breakfast, or like tortillas and all that. So I was like, why don't I bake one of these? What is that? Why didn't I bake one of these? So I'm gonna bake this up. Okay, so I believe I already have it set to 400, but so excuse all this. I made eggs. I need to clean. But I'm gonna put it in for 22 minutes. It says no baking sheet, but that's a lot of seeds that can end up in my oven. So I'm gonna do a baking sheet. Hopefully it works the same. But yeah, let's put this in. Oh my gosh. That's toasty. And I think it needs 22 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 22 minutes.
22 minutes, starting now.
Looks good to me. They're always just like, I don't know if I'm supposed to freeze them, but they're just always a little too crunchy for me. Okay, I'm getting ready for the gym and it's so cold. I just had to pull this out from under my bed in my little shrink bags. The sun's like not coming out, so it's still 53 and it's almost noon. But this is from H&M and I almost bought a darker version of it yesterday and then I remembered I owned it. And it's humongous. This is an extra small and it's huge. So, okay, what I'm going to wear, these are both so wrinkly because I packed them in Atlanta and then never wore them. But I love these CRZ leggings from Amazon. I have like Lululemon, Aritzia, Sit Active, whatever, which I love. But for colors, I love black. Like for navy and like camo and stuff, I buy these Amazon ones. They're literally the same. They suck you in. Same length, same material, same quality. And then I love this little zip up. I'm ready, wearing my outfit. Should grab the keys. I need to grab water. Okay. I'm low-key wearing a little too much clothes. It's not this cold. But I'll be fine. Oh, so that was my first cardio. That was fun. I don't know why I'm so red. I like breathe. I know how to breathe. I used to do yoga. But like I walk out with so red. It's if anytime like burpees, anything where my head goes down. I might go get a coffee. I'm not too sure. I kind of want to get a hot one since it's actually cold out. And then I'm going to go home, shower, change, and then go run errands. But yeah, it was really fun. It was a cardio day. It was a different kind of set interval thing that I've ever done, but it was really fun. And now I'm in a parking garage. It's so dark, but I ended up going to Starbucks. Okay, so for lunch, I usually do some kind of a salad. Yesterday, I did like the French salad with the green beans and tuna, like the Nicoise or something like that. It's so good. I have all the stuff for it right still, but I got this at Trader Joe's. The delicious. I don't know. I want to try it. I'm trying not to eat dairy though, so I might just do like an oil and vinegar dressing. I don't know. But then I'm going to put other stuff in it. Like I have a boiled egg, all that. But yeah, we'll do that. And then I'll let you know my end concoction when I do so. And I always use like a huge bowl. So on the board, I did cucumber, egg. This is like meal prep chicken that has like a green goddess Dijon dressing. Green beans, tomato, and then it looks like this. Okay, this is the end result. It's like a lot and it's huge, but I'm excited. It looks so good and smells so good. And I used the ranch because it's like dill ranch and I couldn't resist. So yeah, I'm so excited to eat this. This is the only mirror I have, but I'm wearing these Amazon sunglasses and then this set from Men's H&M. It's like a chocolate brown, low-key, like really cute. And then my Princess Polly bag and these Amazon little Uggs that I got last year because I live in Tampa. I just like can't justify the real thing because I wore these like not a lot last year, but they do the job. And I'm just going to Target and then maybe the pet store. They're like in the same area. And I just need like basic stuff. I just popped into Whole Foods and they had this crisp apple lollipop. Interesting. Okay, sorry, I can't sit in silence. I put on Love Island. But I'll show you what I got. I got press and seal. I got trash bag. And then I got this traditional pumpkin bread. Now I'm realizing why it's so heavy. It makes 2. Great. I don't really need that much. But this is the only one they had. And it comes with like the pumpkin can and all that. I don't know. I made a healthy one last time. I'm over it. I want the real deal. Then I have an espresso machine, but it's like I would need a grinder to do whole beans. So I either do a coffee shop like our Tampa Buddy Brew or something and ask them to do the fine ground, whatever. But I like Cafe Bustelo. And I've just like always wanted to try, I'm almost out. I've always wanted to try just like the Starbucks espresso. So I bought it this time because I'm almost out. And then I have just been searching for like a fresh scented candle that doesn't give me a headache because I'm really into like sweet candles and holiday candles, and this one just smelled good to me. I love vetiver. And then I got one poppy from Target. I like the root beer one. And then from Whole Foods, I really crushed the bag. It was also 2 for $4 at Whole Foods, and I was looking for the cream soda, but I found this crisp apple. I don't know, I had to buy it. I need to know what it tastes like. I've tried every single one of them, except for the cream soda. And then this is my other favorite. These are like my top 2. So yeah, and then I have the cherry cola in my fridge. I'm not a fan of that one. I bought 2. I wish I didn't. And then I got ketchup at Whole Foods because I wanted like a healthier ketchup. And this one looked good to me. Put everything away and then I'm gonna make dinner. It's almost 7 o'clock. I'm making this like salmon bowl. You're supposed to cut up the salmon, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I might just like pan sear it, but it's supposed to be like a teriyaki. I got the soyaki from Trader Joe's. I don't know. I just realized I should have marinated salmon. I've just never done that before, but this smells so good. I don't know what these like chunks are. I thought it was like, oh, is it like ginger? I don't know. But this is what we're working with. I'm gonna make a little sauce mixture with sriracha. This is like a soy sauce. I kind of like the way it tastes better. And then this vegan mayonnaise, that's kind of gross, but I gotta use it. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I think it looks okay. I had to chunk up the salmon, but yeah, it looks good. I'm excited. There's the sauce, and yeah, that's my dinner. Okay, so I am going to eat my dinner and watch Love Island, if you can hear it. But I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, I really liked doing this today. I thought it was fun. I'm gonna do it a couple times a week. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. If you have any questions, comments, or anything you want to put in the comment section, please do, and I'd love to read them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for still supporting me and loving me and being here. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe. And my Instagram and all that is down below. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon with the next one. Bye!